Imagine unlocking a tool that sits right in your pocket, a tool that can help you navigate these stormy seas of life's challenges, offering clarity and support whenever you need it the most. Today, we are diving into how artificial intelligence is not just changing technology, but also transforming the approach to mental health. We are going to explore how utilizing AI can help men build resilience, find balance, and thrive in this new era of AI. A quick disclaimer. Before we jump in, it's important to mention that while AI can be a fantastic supplement to your mental well being routine, it's not a replacement for professional therapy or medical advice. Think of it as an additional resource, something you can access comfortably from your own home. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: men's mental health. Did you know that one of the most common challenges men face in terms of mental health is depression? It is often masked, misunderstood, or even stigmatized. But here's the good news: we live in an era where technology can lend a helping hand. Once you have navigated to chatgpt.com or chat.com, I want you to select the ChatGPT 4.0 model because this model allows both for written messages but also for advanced voice mode. However, if you want to use the advanced voice mode, you will have to access it from your mobile app. Let me show you how AI can help you manage your mental well-being. Here are some prompts you can try out. This is how you preface every single prompt you're about to give ChatGPT. Start with assigning a role to ChatGPT. In this case, you are a mental well-being specialist and a supportive therapist. And the following prompt I've entered is for managing stress. So, if you are struggling with a lot of stress in your life, you can try entering something like this: I'm feeling overwhelmed with everything happening in my life. Can we talk through some strategies to manage my stress? And just like that, AI can help you dig deeper into your mental challenges. It even offers actionable steps you can take to improve your mental well being. Now, a challenge you might face is feeling disconnected from friends or family. And for that, I suggest using a prompt or something like this. Just like the previous prompt, it will provide more insight and actionable steps you can take to overcome these challenges. I will not go too much in depth with the other prompts, but they are all down in the description. I have created 6 different prompts: 2 prompts for self reflections, 2 prompts to help you build confidence, and 2 prompts to help you cope. This is the first prompt for confidence building. I have an important presentation coming up, and I'm doubting my abilities. Can we go over ways to boost my confidence? Just like that. The second prompt for building your confidence can sound something like this: sometimes I feel like I'm not living up to my potential. How can I set realistic goals and stay motivated? And this prompt is for coping with negative thoughts and negative feelings. When negative thoughts creep in, what are some techniques I can use to push back? If you tend to feel overwhelmed often, you can use a prompt like this one to stay more calm. You guide me through a short mindfulness exercise to help me stay grounded. By using some of these prompts or creating your own prompts like them, you're taking proactive steps to improve your mental well being. Using AI, you get access to a non judgmental space you can use to express yourself and gain insight on different strategies that you might find helpful. If you feel like you can express yourself more clearly and truly through speaking, then consider using the voice mode. This can allow you to have a more natural conversational experience. Sometimes speaking your thoughts out loud can make all the difference. Depression can feel like a solitary journey, but it doesn't have to be. Using AI is one way to break down barriers, reflect on thoughts, and develop coping strategies. In this new era of AI, men have more opportunities than ever to grow, learn, and improve on their mental well being. It's about making men better, not through outdated ideas of toughness, but through resilience, openness, and the courage to evolve. If you have been curious about taking that first step or looking for additional support for your mental well being, consider giving AI a try. It's accessible, private, and available whenever you need it. Remember, every step you take to understand yourself better is a step towards a stronger and better you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who might benefit from it as well. And if you're new here or just haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any insights on becoming a better man in the modern world. Stay strong, stay curious. See you next time.